Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem Tech BD. Follow each and every step carefully.
Why do people still use Java and C++ when there is Python? Python is very slow compared to C++, about 50 times slower. For many applications, that doesn't matter, but for things like high-end video games, it's far too slow. Python also requires an interpreter in order to run, so on very small computers, with tiny amounts of memory, it's simply impossible to run Python. C++ compiles into machine code, and you don't need the compiler's code to be on the computer where your program runs. So, for embedded computing, it's likely that using Python would be a literal impossibility. C++ is like a surgical knife. It's a precision tool, lightweight, perfectly balanced, and for use by people who know what they're doing and who are very careful. But the results you get from using it are impossible to attain any other way. Python is more like a Swiss Army knife, bulky and unwieldy, yet extremely useful for a wide range of quick and dirty jobs. Java, I don't know. It is used a lot for banking and stuff like that. It's not as slow as Python, but not as fast as C++. I can't imagine any situation where I'd prefer it over C++, but a lot of people do use it, so doubtless there are reasons to want it.
If you have any problem, you can comment us. I have a request. If you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.